So today we are in a mall. No big deal, but hear me out. This mall, Albrook Mall in Panama City, is the largest mall in Latin America and Panama. And this is the second largest mall in all of Americas. Let's go check it out.
We're entering on exit or entrance D, and the Uber driver was very nice. He said, make sure you put the right entrance number when we're booking Uber. Yeah, so we don't hang out in malls.
A lot, yeah.
We went to Dubai Mall to look for some food, and now we're in the second largest mall, Albrook Mall in Panama. Let's go to the food court and just have a nice dinner. But as we do this, we're gonna show you guys what we see here. There is a escalator in the shape of a dinosaur. So we're gonna go check that out. Right, so we are walking through, I think we have located the food court right by exit entrance D up there. But we're gonna just walk around a little bit.
2% your body to all. We know 3% 2 times, my friends. Very nice. Yeah.
we just took. I typically don't fall for these things, like a quick sample or whatever. But the guy was so quick. But he goes, no, I'm gonna put something on your neck.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, he's shooting electric shocks.
It was very effective though.
Yeah, it was very effective. We spent like 10 minutes on a sales pitch. Now, okay, so there's a Paul's here, GNC, and El Champion. We check the prices here, $1.99, $2.99, $3.99. So here's a Paul's Bakery. We have some old memory with Paul. We mention it all the time.
Yeah.
Which city we were in when we saw Paul's?
Bangkok?
Bangkok. We ate at Paul. And now when we see Paul, I stop and reminisce. Royal pizzas, paninis, and I remember eating a chocolate cake. You know, from the looks of it, it just looks like any other mall. I've never seen a Psycho Bunny store, Jamar 65. So giving you an idea, if you're like shopping and you're coming to Panama and you have done all the tours, yeah, you can come chill at the Albrook Mall. Here is a train in the mall. Now, Khiz and Isa have sat in a train. I'm gonna show a little clip of them sitting in a train. Actually, somebody wrote on that video, I love Khiz's cringe face. You were cringing. Here's a panda bear. Khiz and Isa, oh, they know what to do with it. 1, 2. Check out my party place. Like
Bluey Pinata.
Oh yeah, Bluey. That thing was $90, which is a really, really good price for this model. Oh my God, Aliyah, that's not just plastic.
Oh yeah.
That has some weight to it, so that's $90. But we don't have luggage space to carry this with us. And on Avianca, like we'll pay too much money to carry this. Maybe one day for my birthday, Aliyah would fly to Panama and pick this for me and bring it back.
And leave you alone on your birthday?
Because I'll be at work.
That doesn't make sense.
I'll be at work.
I wouldn't do that.
It's a 7-hour flight. We got an airplane model. Thank you so much.
Gracias.
Thank you so much. Gracias.
Okay, so we got an airplane model. We got Air Asia. When I went to Malaysia for a month, like 20 years ago, I flew on Air Asia. Okay, mall tour continues. Now the ceiling is not that high, so at any place you look at, you don't get this feel that you're walking in the largest mall in Panama.
But it keeps going.
Yeah, but it keeps going. And there's plenty of very cool looking shops and stores. Oh, I love that clock. So now we are heading towards the giant eagle in this mall. Okay, Alia is correcting me. It's probably a parrot. Okay, up there, you also have Albert Bowling. And then there's a bank and a couple of other things. So we kind of did a circle around this area. And I'm gonna say, I'm not a mall person, but I'm enjoying this.
Yeah.
And for another thing, like even though I'm taking pictures, making video, everybody's minding their own business. Nobody's looking at us, asking us not to. Like it's a very relaxed environment here. This medicine store that Alia was pointing out, all green in the front. According to Wikipedia, this mall is second largest in the Americas and 25th in the world. Now, there are 400 businesses in this mall and about 50,000 people visit the mall every day. If those numbers are correct, this is an amazing stat. All right, Alia, I think I'm ready for some food.
Now we're gonna take a full round before we decide on what to eat. And as we walk, we can show you what all they have to offer here. This is Don Pan.
Don Pan. That looks like Subway full of meat. I see a store which I'm kind of excited about. The Chips Factory.
Ooh.
I love a dedicated French fry place. They do have other sandwiches and whatnot. Then there's Pizzeria Leonardo. It's quite crowded in there. Party Kids Zone. Oh, just a sitting area. And let's continue. I see something called Cricket. Oh, Rad Cricket. What is it, Alia?
Sandwiches, fries, shakes, stuff like that.
It's like a 3D simulator. Lisa, here's, I gotta take a picture, okay? Now we have some American chains coming up. It's Wendy's, KFC, and McDonald's. Alia's checking out McDonald's. And then we have Chicken Sabroso. After Chicken Sabroso is Popeyes. So next one is Asados Gabidana, which looks like a very local Panamanian. And then we have Lenos and Carbon. Followed by Dragon Chino. Is this
Mr.
Arepa? Burger King. Now, do we see Impossible Burger here? That's the question. I don't see Impossible. So Alia, Impossible is not here.
Food is becoming impossible right now.
Next up is La Priscilla de la Intancia. There's Tutumas, Chicken Factory, Subway, Ni Hao. And there's a nice seating area over there. And then there's Big Pollo, Big Chicken, and then we have the start. So that is the full tour of the food court. And we still don't know what we're gonna get. So I think we're gonna stick with McDonald's, probably get some fries from Chips Factory, get a slice from Leonardo, and hang out. And we actually missed this. There's also DQ here, but we're gonna head over to Chips Factory because we gotta go get some chips and pizza. We have placed an order in Leonardo, and now we're gonna go into the Chips Factory for some fries. It took a while using Google Translate to get an order, a simple order of fries with 2 sauces for $3.74. So
I've been ordering everything on that board.
yeah, this was, it kind of shows the importance of learning language, especially if you like traveling. Every restaurant will take your order and give you a beeper. So we're waiting for fries with our beeper, and you can check out the restaurant and the vibe here. So this is the restaurant called Chips Factory, but they sell everything else and just one type of French fry. For our third order, we are using some fish fillets from McDonald's. Oh, that looks good. So we are now settled. We got Leonardo pizza. Pizza came with fries. Who would have thought pizza comes with fries? Okay. This is from the Chips Factory. And we got a fish fillet sandwich. The purpose of this is to kind of just show you Originally, we were gonna go back to the hotel, but we figured it's the largest mall in Panama. We gotta come and have a fast food party. All right, guys, we are done with our fast food in another mall in a different continent. The last time we went to a mall and had multiple fast food as dinner was in Asia, and now we are in Central America, or technically maybe North America. So, here's the plan. I showed Kiz and Isa a picture of a dinosaur escalator. That's our mission. We're gonna walk all the way to find the dinosaur escalator, so let's go. And we're noticing that quite a few of the stores have started to close and shutter. It is 8 o'clock. So we don't have to do any shopping, so we're fine there, but it is pretty interesting that the mall closes this early. Yeah, there's like quite a few empty corridors or closed stores. It's massive. I'm sure it's probably not easy to have 100% capacity here at all times. There's Nike down below, furniture store. Now there's Titan Toys, flying flamingos. Actually, you know, now that I think of it, I've never seen flamingos fly in real life. There's also a another chip factory, another mini food court over here. Bocas Ricas, Presta, and Leonardo. That's where we had our dinner today. Domino's and Subway. And that's Pasta Mia. Alia's favorite, Carl's Jr. is here also, although she loves their Impossible meat burgers, but Impossible burgers are not available. And they have Taco Bell down there. Alright, so check out the carousel area down below and the amount of seating. By the way, they have Conway. I don't think Conway as a store exists in America, but I remember there used to be a Conway years ago, but it went bankrupt. So I don't know if they copied the name. That's the exit. See, this is R.
Everything is closed.
Yeah, everything is closed. We're just walking towards the end because that's where the dinosaur escalator is. I'm really hoping it's close by. Check out Moose. I don't know what Moose is, but it's a pretty cool storefront. Another US Polo Association, Mumuso. Okay, there's a I Love Albrook Mall sign. Another food court back there. Oh yeah, a car showroom. Oh, and I think we can see the dinosaur. Check out this very nice poster. I Love Albrook Mall, Panama, with the Panama Canal, the America's Bridge, traditional clothes. Yeah, and of course, look, where else? As you can see, there's food court areas or just individual restaurants spread all over this mall. And here is the Cinemark, so you can watch movies while your family shops.
Oh, this is what smelled good. The caramel popcorns.
Yeah, Ali keeps saying this section of the mall smells amazing. You found it. Okay, that was our mission, to come and show you guys the dinosaur escalator, which, by the way, I heard is closed, but you can go walk down it.
Oh.
And here we are. We're gonna go downstairs and show you guys the dinosaur escalator. Yeah, let's walk down.
And we're almost done with the mall. Hopefully you guys get an idea of what the mall looks like. One thing to notice is that we did not find many restrooms or bathrooms. Except for the food court, there were no bathrooms. And inside the food court, a bathroom costs you 25 cents per person that enters the bathroom. So keep that in mind. I didn't have change, so I had to ask for help and get change and then get in. But other than that, this was fun for us.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of Albrook Mall. I'll catch you guys in the
Next one.
bye for now.
I just saved myself. My kids
You
are
made
still
it.
in there, that's fine.
Yeah, the choo-choo train is back. You guys can. Khizr loves the choo-choo train.
No, I don't.
See, this is what happens when you let me sit on internet. I saw there was a mall with a dinosaur escalator,
Yeah.
and now here we are. Let's go down.